So hi friends, welcome back again. And friend, in this video I am going to tell you one of the best update and news regarding hacks as well as Pulse Chain. So first of all, we would like to cover here regarding good news that is going on around the universe, that is like this one. Pulse Chain will do better than hacks within 1 year, friend. Yes, my dear fans, the Pulse Chain is going to do much more better, and this would be parabolic, friend. You are listening this one, that your $100 worth of the amount would be converted to 1 million, friend. 1 million. So that would be true, friend. This would not be any fake, because when hacks could do this within just 2 years, let's take whiteboard, friend. So when hacks could do it for 2 years, friend, why it is much more difficult for Pulse Chain? Okay, friend, hacks did almost 8,000x plus within 2 years. Okay, within 2 years 8,000x. So if you invested $100 in hacks before 2 years back, and right now it must be converted to, you can see here, friend, this much amount, and this must be 8. You believe, friend? Almost, friend, 1 million. Almost 1 million from just $100. Okay guys, so this much amount is going to be made. And if we talk regarding Pulse Chain, a lot of FOMO is created, because at that time when Hex has launched, at that time nobody was knowing to community and Richard Herd and many more people. But after successful launch of Hex, everybody is focusing that this could go parabolic. This could go parabolic. I'm sorry, friend, the color has been different selected. Now talking regarding PLS. PLS total fresh page. Now let's talk regarding PLS. What can it do, friend? If you invested $100 while the time of sacrifice, day one, your investments will definitely become within 1 year to maximum 2 years 1 million, friend. Note my words, friend. And if you invested $100 by the last day of your sacrificing day, it would be near about 0.25 million, friend. $1 million. But instill, if you did not, friend, instill, if you did not sacrifice, this is the best time for this, because now you would be able to invest here when PLS will launch. As a lot of FOMO is going to be created, friend, a lot of FOMO, and after launch you can see here price will be huge, like 1000x maybe, or and after that price will dumped by big whales and top holders, as they put money from different kind of the sources, and they also borrow, and also a lot of things they would like to do, friend. Okay, so at that time you can get in, buy the dip, like if you invest $1000 at that time, I hope in the dip price your $1000 will be converted to $1 million, or even after 2 years it could be $5 million, and if you hold for 5 years you can become a billionaire. Friend, nothing is guaranteed here, but friend, as the track record of the last time hacks, friend, it has done a lot of things, friend. Okay, so nothing is guaranteed here, friend, but it is a speculation. You must do these all things and must follow. Okay guys, so here, okay, so this is one topic now, right friend? This is the one topic. So Pulse would do parabolic, be patient, instill. If you did not just get in Pulse and could not sacrifice, don't sacrifice right now, because it is very terrible, very horrible price right now, and you would just get a very small amount, just like around $100. If you sacrifice $1 you would get 100 PLS points. Okay, so it's not good. Now wait for the launching, and after that wait for dip and then dive into full. Okay, $100 to $1000, whatever you want to get in. I am also filling my bags to get into with big one, because I want to buy and I didn't sacrifice at that time, and now I am waiting for that. But on the other hand, there is also bad news from Hex, because Hex is dumping day by day continuously from last 7 days to 15 days. So now let's switch the topic. Friends, in the comment box please tell me how much Pulse you have on as sacrificing, and if you did not sacrifice, what are you planning here to buy in the dip? Would you wait or would you sell if you already have, and what would be your budget actually just for buying the dip? As in Hacks many people wait and watch, and in the dip they just vote. So friends, you can see here, I would like to draw your attention please, that Hex launched actually January 2020 it's showing, but Hex launched before that. So at that time many people bought as a airdrop and also through that activity, and then they sold out in January, and maximum people just catch the trend here. Maximum people catch the trend at that time in before 2 years back, and this was the price trend, and the price went almost 10,000x from here, friend, easily. Yes friend, and not less than 1000x, friend, to all time. Okay, so the same would happen here in also with Pulse, friend. Pulse is not different from Hex, and Hex is now they are having backing support. already the existing customer of Hex are all in Pulse Chain, and also new people are the people who did not sacrifice. They are also creating a lot of FOMO just to get into and big fill backs there, because a lot of OGs and the people are following to different kind of OGs and Richard Heart and team. So the price could go parabolic. Whatever Hex did in 2 years, it can do within 6 months to 1 year, friend. I'm damn sure. And within 2 years, it can record. It can also break the record of Ethereum. Not a little for this one. Okay, so this is the right time to have some dollar cost average for Hex. Now let's switch the topic. Now come to Hex, friend. Okay, so big airdrop is going to be happen here, so do not forget to take part here in this airdrop, so that friend you can earn a lot of things. Okay friends, a lot of things will be happen here, so take part, hold Hex and stake. Okay friends, now this one, how long will Hex dump, friend? As you know, here we seen the rally. Now friends, let's switch. How long will Hex dump, friend? So Hex already went all time high. You have seen, friends, it went $0.51 all time high. This was, friend. Okay, and after that it started slowly with creating a new bottom every time, creating new bottom, and now in this week it dumped a lot, and it tried to touch 0.28 to 0.26, 0.25, and now there is the support, but according to me the price can drop to 0.2 to 0.19 or even also less than that. So let's see what happened. Comment in the box that what do you think, and how much price you expect, and if the price goes 0.2 below, will you fill the bag with Hex to get in for the P Hex airdrop? Okay friends, so let's switch the chart. Now price chart, this is Hex went 0.29 and the last time the price was 0.26, friend. This was the lowest price at that time within 24 hours. So you can also create very good trade every day here. I have told you earlier, if someone could just sell the price here at 0.32, he was having a very good chance here to get the dip and buy in 0.27 here, friend. And after that the price is also going up. Okay guys, the price is also going up here. So now it's a good time to fill the bag for Hex, because the price would be very good after establishing of Bitcoin. As Bitcoin is not stable, that's why after creating all-time high the price would be stable and then they would be exploded. So Hex is also taking the exams to every holders as well as the traders, and who knows the game they are earning daily, friend. I am just understanding the game, friend, because in 10 times I missed the game actually, understanding how it work actually. But maximum people who are the big baggers and whales in this game, they are genius. They are playing with the emotions of retailers, friend. So it's good. They are creating money, a lot of money. But the price must be stable now. Otherwise the price can free fall to 0.2 and below. Then that 0.1 can also be possible for Hex within this week or next week if continuously blood falling. Okay friends, so this was the video for this one. We are very excited to launch Pulse Chain very soon, and there may be a very good update from that. Okay friends, so we would go through that, and please support my channel while subscribing, and we can get a lot of new information. And also I am bringing a lot of IDO information to you, friend guys, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And what's new here by Richard Hurd? Within this was for 6 November, last one, and advertisement 5 hours back. Yeah, everyone crying about gas fees to buy. Hex.com dips. There is no gas fee to set limit order on Matcha or 1 inch. Oh great friend. Oh great. This is awesome, yeah. Would that I could know this before, friend, because maximum people could do that. Matcha will try to. So, okay, friends, just try this one, and we'll create a new tutorial regarding this one, that how you can set a limit order with no gas fees. There is a very good platform. This one I have heard the name, and also 1 inch. We'll try and let you know regarding this with live demo. Okay, friend. In the next video, that is very good, but now not much more benefit for hexagons, because the price already dipped, and the people who sold out at 0.4 to 0.51 are luckier one, because they fill the bag and they earn 50% plus their token. But if you still are in loss, don't sell right now, because this is a very bottom price. Just hold and stake, and you would get some interest, and then you would cover your loss, friend. This is the good strategy for that. Okay, thank you very much for being with us, and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and a lot of information is going through in free of cost, friend. So please like, share and subscribe, and comment regarding what are you feeling about Hex as well as Pulse Chain future. If you love Pulse Chain and Richard Hurd and team as well as Hex, do not forget to like this one, because the like target is only 50 likes in this video, and expecting converting existing viewers to subscribers, friends. Thank you very much.